Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a dollar symbol on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a dollar symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your mobile. So I just going to open a blank document here. And now I just need to insert the dollar symbol. If you click on this plus symbol, you can just add a sheet and click on this icon. You can't find any insert symbol option here. You can see the cell option, shape option, but there is no symbol option. So instead of that, you can just use your keyboard. So here I just using my Google keyboard. So just tap on here and double tap here, and now you just use your keyboard, click on this number section here, and you can find a dollar symbol here. So this is how you just insert a dollar symbol on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. You have a wonderful day.